So some of these things are expected, but Ayala Dano Ofreno no. Obeka Simbi, and I side with him.
Okay.
Ghana sports fraternity no, they have not been able to tell the story of our football, fraternity.
Okay.
Woman timin ka and 70 year ma Ghana fontiasie ye. I say over the years Ghana for they criticize the players and ma ubi across mean support to Ghana. Sika yedema players. Okay. Dino $100,000 appearance was Ghana Sikania that was times na a whole yeah Abba Ghana has say.
Yeah.
But say Chemu say this is the economy of football. Sika de ma omon say. But yes say ya e say ni say ne be say ni say na dia brain pain or brain mo say ni say so that Ghanaians will understand it better. Kaneno na ye frebibi in management, ye frebibi personnel management. Kaneno na omo from junior managers and then they're from personnel managers. One more day omo ya say masa it's about what deliver ya say individual na wo ye adwuma na yemfa ho. Name resource na hwehwe. Uka say utie o ya kra say resource. But the ne ensayaba ye for human resource management. You are managing the human being as a resource. Now I say ebema no deliver. Enti say who say o pese Ghana perform one. You ask yourself then I would demand pano. What is the motivation factor? And now criticisms are all criticism and I say they will see share ejuma no. Wo de ani be na ehwe. Who can ne kwan so?
And I say
who can be say they were come see you bia na wo kan. You also wo gine hu ye. You are say you obitima camera to nipa trim. Eto ntima ebe killing in
the spirit cry.
Cry untimi kram perform cry.
Yeah.
You see what went on Enra. Just as we have been saying.
Yeah.
The first time a national side of Black Stars, now national side of Ghana, senior side no, ne England, Asia, yet me any of my board draw. In fact, a FIFA competitive match, about friendly match back, and a ball, 1950 and then 2011. Yeah, but at a competitive FIFA match, Enra, and you see. Ajia yenani want to say Ghana was going to lose. In fact, personally, I must confess. Nami was that notion. Say Ghana will able lose because me compare player to player, almost the caliber of their players to players now. Now you hear a D almost any almost clubs almost bar. They were nowhere near the England players.
And now me guarantee interview be. And some of me get you say I agree. Names play football. Yeah. But tactics, good. Yes,
works more. That's it. That is when you have a good coach.
That is it.
But I couldn't dear Mobiadin.
Oh no, they say a friend is asking me.
But could be Nanka. But could be Nanka a different story. But you see, the players were resilient. Omo your imagine say, the Ghana for air cano, ye per se ye chill me before from.
Okay.
And Omo and Yinta sopa. Always say don't see a tom at the tackle boss. Yeah. Now we say yes. Omo you're committed. Yeah. On Fahone the Ebetono. At the point when Jordan got hurt, Netiko pie in the crown. Who said now pain or pain, but when anyone was working near but still know what they bought.
Yeah, or buy across our bed ball or head day ball back could be
yes. When anyone was say he was in pain.
Yeah.
But I just saw people.
Yeah.
And in fact, thumbs up to the coach. Curious. In fact, what Chelsea
a good coach.
When you
or experience.
Oh yes, you know or the edge mapa. Where defense are not all ball. Everywhere.
The first half of purely defensive.
Yes.
Second half, nice we're trying to.
Yes. He saw say the player saw say we had the opportunity because Bob and can air question now come on seven. The player saw say so move kakra bit me any opportunity. And of course in Kaya up
and also cry because I know by penalty we had a chance.
You understand
when you said the better chances of the game.
Yes.
Echo in favor of the Black Stars.
Yes.
Though we're playing defensively,
yes.
But better chances.
It was strategic.
Yeah.
So now almost say
yeah.
Oh yes. Almost say England from being mistake.
Yeah.
Now more capitalize on it. They are punishing more. But there's that the chances didn't come that much as we expected. But then thumbs up to the Black Stars.
Sure.
In fact, they have done well.
Right. Thank you. Ofori.
Yeah.
Maje. And Radem himself would do